In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly create dozens, even hundreds of t-shirt designs using Canva and have them perfectly named and organized for Etsy or whatever print-on-demand site you're using. I'll walk you through the whole workflow, including Canva's AI Magic Write tool, Canva spreadsheets, and a simple Python script that will save you hours of tedious manual work. With Canva open, find Docs. You can find it right on Canva's homepage or click the purple plus sign to open more options. Once your doc is open, click the little circle plus icon and choose Magic Write. Here's what we want Magic Write to generate. A 3-column table with U.S. state capital cities in column 1, U.S. state names in column 2, and in column 3 we have our shop name, which is written in lowercase with no spaces if your shop name is more than one name. Here's the exact prompt to use. Create a 3-column table. Column 1, all U.S. state capitals. Column 2, all U.S. states. Column 3, the word My T-shirt shop. Separate each column with a comma. Make sure you replace My T-shirt shop with your own shop name in lowercase and no spaces. This is very important. I have a text file in the video description box that you should download. Click Generate. If it doesn't look quite right, use the back arrow in the top left corner, tweak your prompt, and try again. When you're happy with it, click Insert at the bottom of the page. Canva opens a new window with your table. We are going to save this as a PDF, so head over to the Share button at the top here to download. Your download will likely land in your Downloads folder on your computer on the left side toolbar. Next, open Sheets on Canva's homepage. Go back to your table and copy it. Place your mouse on the outer edge of the table until it turns purple before copying. It behaves weird otherwise. Then paste it into the first cell A2 on your spreadsheet. Adjust the column widths so everything looks clean. Now let's create a 4th column that will generate your actual file names. In cell D2, paste this formula. I have this formula on the notepad file that you downloaded so that you can just copy and paste it in here. This puts your city, state, and shop name all together in lowercase with hyphens. Perfect for SEO and consistent file naming. To copy the formula down your column, click on D2 and grab the little blue square in the bottom right corner and pull it all the way down to the bottom depending on how many rows you have. Once that's done, click the Share button at the top right, then Download and choose CSV as your file type. That CSV is going to be super important in just a few minutes. Move that file from your Downloads folder to your working folder. I created a folder on my desktop called T-shirt Renamer, and that's where I keep everything together. This is where my folder is and where you want to place your CSV file. Let's go into Canva and get our design ready. The standard print-on-demand image size is 4500 by 5400 pixels at 300 dpi, or dots per inch. Open a new 45 by 54 design. Add 2 text boxes, one for the city name and one for the state name. Set your font, size, and effects, like curve or shadow, however you want. If you're adding an image like a graphic or icon, drag it in now and resize it. Remember, this image will show up on every one of your designs. Now let's bring in our CSV data, which has the information to populate your design. Click the app's icon on the left toolbar, and in the search bar type bulk and choose Bulk Create. In the panel, choose the Upload Data option and upload the CSV file that you placed in your T-shirt Renamer folder. Let's connect that data to your design. To do that, click your city name text box, then click on the Connect Data icon here, and in the drop-down, choose Capital. Go back to your design and click on the state text box. Connect data and look for state. Once they're connected, click Continue. Then click to generate all your pages or choose the ones you want. There is a black text line that shows up at the top of your screen. Click on it. It only stays up for a little bit. If you miss it, go to Projects in the left side toolbar and you will find your file there. Click to open it. You are going to have to look at each design and make tweaks, adjusting the font size and perhaps placement. Make those changes now, and once done, click Share, Download, choose PNG, and make sure to check transparent background. This will download a zip file of all your designs, named 1.png through 50.png. Unzip that file and place all the PNGs into the T-shirt renamer folder, right alongside your CSV file. This next part is where the magic really happens, renaming your files. We're going to use a simple Python script. If you don't already have Python installed, go here to download the latest version for your operating system. Again, grab the link from the notepad, then click Install Now. Once Python is installed, double-click on the idle icon. This is what it looks like. By now you should have idle open on your screen. Go up to the top menu and click File, then choose New File. That will open up a blank editor window. This is where we'll paste in the code that does all the work for you. Copy the code from the download I gave you at the beginning of the video. You don't need to type it out. Once you've got the code copied, go ahead and paste it into that blank editor window. Here's what it looks like. Look at the line that starts with folder_path. That needs to match the exact location of your images and your CSV file. In my case, it's saved on the desktop in a folder called T-shirt renamer. I put mine in the example. Yours will definitely be different. To get yours, go to the folder that has your images and CSV file and open the folder. Copy the address line and replace my path with yours. Be careful to keep both quotation marks and the small r at the beginning. Second, look at the line that says CSV_file. That should match the exact name of your spreadsheet, including the .csv at the end. If your file is named shirtnames.csv, make sure that's what you put there. Once you've double-checked those, it's time to save the script. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. This has to be saved inside the same folder where your PNGs and your CSV are located. That is super important. At the bottom, name the file exactly like this, rename.py. And that's it. You've just written and saved your first Python script. Nicely done. Now that we've saved the script, let's run it and watch the magic happen. First, we need to open the folder where all your files are, the same one where you saved your images, your CSV file, and the rename.py script. Go to your desktop or wherever your folder is located. Right-click on your folder. Mine's called T-shirt renamer. And from the menu, choose Open in Terminal or Open in Command Prompt, depending on your version of Windows. If you don't see that option, you can also just open Command Prompt manually by clicking the Start menu and typing CMD, then pressing Enter. Once it opens, you'll need to tell it where to go. Type CD in a space, and then paste the full path to your folder. Then press Enter. You should now be inside the right folder. And here's the exciting part. To run your script, all you have to do is type this, Python, space, rename.py. Hit Enter. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a list of messages, something like renamed 1.png to Montgomery, Alabama, myshopname.png. If you see it, that means it worked. And if you check your renamer folder, all your files just got renamed using the names from your spreadsheet. If you run into an error here, don't panic. Double-check these three things. Did you save your Python script in the same folder as your images and CSV file? Is the file path in the script correct? Does the CSV file name in your script match exactly, including upper and lowercase and the .csv part? If you fix any of those things, just remember you have to save the script again and rerun it. You can run it as many times as you want. Believe me, I certainly didn't get it the first, second, or third time I tried. It won't break anything. It will just try to rename the files again. At this point, you can move all the files out of the renamer folder to an upload folder, leaving renamer ready for your next batch. It might seem like a lot the first time through, but once you run this workflow a couple times, it's smooth sailing and so much faster than doing things one by one. If this video helped you, hit like and subscribe. I've got more tutorials coming. Thanks for watching.